Doesn't it feel like we're some place like Florida or something? Oh man. Now here we go. Hold on. I can hear him snapping. Oh. Look at that poor flag, man. Oh my gosh. Woo.
This moth up here.
I know, it's crazy. I seen this once at the old house. That's it.
There goes the sunflower.
And you know what happened? A tree fell.
Yeah, we already lost a bunch of branches.
I would imagine. 70 miles per hour. Come on, that's crazy. It came and then it relaxed. Then it came and it relaxed. Then it about knocked all the trees over. Look at their stuff, man. It went flying in the air.
Yeah, there's a bunch of twigs.
Like a tornado, though. It just floated.
It totally knocked over those sunflowers.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. I was busy just trying to keep my eyes open. It was crazy up here. I don't know about back there. But when you see these trees buckle and see what I'm talking about,
Yeah.
those are big trees, man. If they go, look up there, man. Oh, I think it's coming again. If it keeps pushing them like that, they're going to snap. I don't care how old they are. They can only handle so much. If you see something I don't, say go, because I'm going to. You say go, I'm grabbing that door. Ugh. Ugh.